Malt Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Malt, a freelancer platform designed to connect top independent professionals with businesses seeking quality work. You'll find links to the platform in the description below. Malt is a European-based freelancer marketplace that focuses on helping businesses find skilled professionals for a wide range of services, including IT development, marketing, design, content creation, and consulting. With over 500,000 registered freelancers, Malt stands out for its curated talent pool and its focus on creating a transparent and efficient experience for both freelancers and clients. One of Malt's key features is its advanced search engine, which makes finding the right freelancer straightforward. Businesses can filter candidates based on expertise, location, hourly rate, and even language skills. This detailed filtering system ensures that clients can match with the most relevant professionals for their specific needs. Additionally, each freelancer's profile is comprehensive, featuring portfolios, customer reviews, and even peer recommendations, which adds an extra layer of credibility. Malt also emphasizes collaboration and trust. Once you've selected a freelancer, the platform provides tools for direct communication, project management, and clear contract terms. The pricing system is transparent, and Malt handles invoicing and payments, ensuring that funds are securely processed and only released when the work meets your expectations. For freelancers, Malt offers excellent visibility and the opportunity to work with reputable companies. The platform supports long-term partnerships by allowing direct rehiring, which is beneficial for building professional relationships. Malt also charges a competitive commission rate, making it more freelancer-friendly compared to many alternatives. In summary, Malt is a great choice for businesses and freelancers who prioritize quality, transparency, and efficiency. It's especially popular in Europe, but is increasingly gaining recognition globally. Whether you're a business looking for top-tier talent or a freelancer seeking meaningful projects, Malt provides a professional and reliable platform to meet your needs. Check the links in the description to explore Malt and take your projects to the next level.